Hello, welcome to another video. I am excited because I finally got a part.
Hello.
Anyway, I don't like that it's chrome, but at least I got the part. And today, the kids are putting up a Christmas tree. Whoa, Wyatt, let go.
No.
Alyssa's in charge,
This is in charge.
and Colette's not doing anything.
That's just looking at the Christmas.
The last white one.
Hopes and fears.
Well, we got the tree done. We as in the kids. Mostly me though.
Dad.
Right, Alyssa? It was mostly me.
Yeah, sure.
It's mostly me.
She helped the least. It's always a tradition to put the tree up on my wife's birthday, but she got antsy and did it a couple days before her birthday. I don't know if you can see this monstrosity.
He's so cute.
Alright, today I'm finally doing the differential cover on my Suburban, so I'll take you along for that. Alright. Hope it's not too dark for you. Yeah, this thing's really leaking. Start by loosening all the bolts. Okay, I'll hit my head on the gas tank. Alright, it's leaking so bad. Well, I mean, it was leaking. Come on. It was leaking so bad, I'm kind of concerned with how much lubrication is actually in there. We're about to find out, I guess. Alright, so I cracked it open. And there was quite a bit in there. So that's good. It sure stinks. I really don't know how good you can see it, but I got the cover off. And that gasket's sticking pretty bad, but that's alright. It wasn't too hard to get off. And it was quite full. So that's good. Alright, I'm gonna kind of clean it out here with some brake cleaner. Here's the kind of a better angle of it. Let's see. Metal shavings wise, it wasn't bad at all. So that part's good. Alright. Alright, now there's dogs everywhere. Anyway, now I'm just going to try to scrape this off. You gotta be careful, you don't want to gouge it. Alright, so I got the gasket off. So I'm gonna give it one more spray down because strong stuff. Sometimes as you're scraping it, it goes in there. I'm glad I could keep inhaling this. It's really good for you. Good for your lungs. So once I get this all cleaned out, I'm ready for the very quiet truck going by. Alright, so whoop. Alright, that's good on that. So now I gotta go find where I put my RTV and also my gasket, because it's time to put this back together. Make sure you use your best rags you have for this. You want only the best. Alright, so it's all ready for the new one to go in. I'm gonna give this another quick wipe just to dry things off. The new one is I don't care for chrome stuff, but the new one's chrome. But what I do like about it is it actually has a drain fill plug on the front. So I do like that. Sorry about my arm being in the way. So let me line up the gasket here. Oh, come on. Alright, got that top one lined up. Just so I can... Oh, I'm an idiot. I put it upside down. Hold on. Well, I don't know. I think that chrome... I think that chrome might add at least 15 horsepower. Pretty snazzy. Anyway, when you're tightening it down, you want to do like bottom, top, side, side, at just an angle so that you can create an equal gap, or not gap, so you don't have a gap, because you don't want that. And if you just kind of go, you know, like this pattern, tighten it that way, you could create a gap in it where you'll lose your fluid. So I'll finish buttoning this up and I'll get back to you. I've actually decided to fill through the plug there. It came off easy enough. There wasn't a whole lot of room with that rear sway bar to fill unless I jacked up the car on the frame so the axle would drop. So I'm just gonna add the fluid right there. Alright, just going around the block real quick to see if everything works. What do you think, Percy? You think it's gonna work out? Huh? I think he thinks it will. And he's gonna notice the horsepower change for that new chrome cover. So far, I just got out and looked. It was doing pretty good. Percy approves. So we'll see how it is at home. I love my little neighborhood. Alright, so I got the differential cover all done. And it's not leaking and it's working great. The bad news is the transfer case is completely gone now. So I barely made it home yesterday from Thanksgiving. Anyway, so I had to go drive my little Dodge Neon to town, get some tires for that so I could drive a family of 7 around in that. So I have a lot of projects coming up for you guys to see. And I also am going to start working on a 1990 Chevy 2500 Silverado. So look forward to that, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share.